It used to be all about me, but then I got engaged, I graduated, and now it's just not all about Cass. And so, thus, this YouTube channel was born and renamed into Not Just About Cass. So welcome to our vlog channel.
I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Hey, so if you watched my last vlog, you know I was busting my behind to make sure that I was packed by the morning and for that day. And do you guys see this? All my dishes are washed. Everything is clean. Everything is organized. All I need to do now is get a SIM card, 2 huge flash drives, and something to wrap up the gift. The gift is the very first thing I need to do, and then after that, I'm just there and I happen to find something, then I'm gonna find it. But yeah, I freaking did it. I am so proud of myself and so excited about this. So, the only thing I did not get to was collapsing and breaking down these boxes, but that can be a thing that I can do whenever I get back, because it won't take that long. And if I even have time during lunch, I might, but that's not my priority today. So I'm gonna get finished getting dressed, and I'm gonna make my bed, and then we're gonna go to work, and then I will talk to you guys later. In case you're wondering how frantically I was running around earlier, as in yesterday in my last vlog, let me show you my socks. They are two, I don't even know if you can see this, they are two different socks. That is my life. That's what it was yesterday, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna eat my Cheerios and sit here for a little bit before I have to go to work. It's lovely. Lovely, lovely. Aww. What's up, guys? It's lunchtime and we have to run some errands together. We're probably gonna go to Walmart because then I can get everything I need in one place, because I need a gift bag and wrapping, and then I need a SIM card and a flash drive, or a couple flash drives. I'll probably just buy like a pack of flash drives, but I've got to find one, and that's just how we're gonna roll today. And then we're gonna pack the car, and then we're gonna roll out because I only have a couple more 2 hours after I get back from lunch. So let's go. So I just did all the tasks. I just did the trash, the litter. I got the SIM card. I got the memory cards. Oh, that is bright. I literally did everything. Like I'm so amazed. Look at me. Look. Check it out. You see that? See that? We did it all. Yeah! We did it all. No idea how I just did that, but I just packed everything and now it's time to head back to work. This lunch was very productive, but not very fun. So now I'm going to turn up the lights and get going. You guys say goodbye to this one because I'm leaving from work, in case you didn't know that, because I have to pick up my mom. So bye, baby. Bye. I'm trying to say goodbye to her and she's being very rude about it. Bye, baby. Don't attack me. I'm telling you bye. That's fine. Also, I gave her extra food and water during lunch too. We did a lot of stuff, didn't we? Didn't we? That's so cute. Okay. I'm really sad. I always hate leaving her, even though I know she's just a cat. I know. I realize, I'm just saying, I miss her. And I always miss her every time. Okay. Let's get this show on the road. Okay, so your girl changed, and good thing I had to come back for my engagement ring, because I would have literally left my toothbrush in there. So I'm really glad that I was able to come back. The Lord is watching out for me, as he does all the time. Made me go back in there and get my dang engagement ring, and also help me get my toothbrush. But now we're gonna go. I hope I have everything. Like, honestly, I have no idea. I think I have enough, like, underwear and socks for, that's like the main thing. After that, I don't really care, but I think that's the first thing I packed, so I think I did well on that. I'm not sure. We're just gonna hope for the best, okay? So we are officially leaving. I need to text my mother that I am leaving. Always text your mom that you're leaving or whenever you made it somewhere. Pro tip. I already texted my fiance, so we are good. So go. Let's go. So we made it. I'm sweating, and I'm pretty sure my makeup is gonna just run off my face. But we made it. We're gonna pick up my mom. The reason why my mom and I are riding together is because both of our significant others went to work, and she just didn't want to go there early, and I didn't want to ride alone, and nor did she. So we just decided to ride together. I mean, I don't know. Honestly, I wouldn't want to ride in this type of car where, like, seriously, like, it's hot AF and, like, you can't even, you sweat. But, I mean, I'm excited to have her company, so that's the important part, right? I'm not taking pictures, it's a video. Well, I was videoing Lexi coming around because it's so cute every time she does it. Lexi, come here.
Where's my bag?
It's in the very backpack. Backpack. Hi, baby.
Backpack. I got my stuff in the back.